Hi and welcome back. We have now införskaffat oss, went and bought a tripod. You need a tripod. Of course you need a tripod. I had a Gorilla Pod, but yeah, Gorilla Pods usually break. So this is what happened to mine. Here I have 3 arms, very nice, very nice. But the one will not stick on, so what can you do? You buy a new. And I tried to fix this one and it just, I can show in this camera, it's just cut off. Should be in here, but it can't. So it's just trash. Trash. So I don't really remember where we were last. I think we were on doing something with the FPV, because we have the FPV camera right here. Yeah, anyhow. Gonna take this one down. Now we already plugged everything in, but we can do that. We take this one and let's go up to Crico. We can fasten a Traxxas. Vem är du? Han har kardborreband till den här.
Nice. Clean. Nice. Vilken för hård.
Mjuk. Nice. Oh, sjukt. Oh, dirty. Sticker on the fucking car. Traxxas.
Det vackraste jag vet är att se dig när du sover. Här råder stilla frid och jag glömmer både rum och tid. Du ligger här bredvid och jag känner hur du andas.
Still recording, man? Yes. So first of all we're gonna clean. So for cleaning I usually use one dry and one wet. Not wet, but I use some sort of cleaning. I just spray that on like so. And wash it, we're gonna wash it. And then I take the dry one. And it's really good to get all the grease out. All the grease and all the cleaning thing. Because still if you have the cleaning, the tape won't stick. But I'm not taping, I am gluing. So I have my fast super glue Loctite 401 that I use for gluing stuff. And this one I want here. It's sticking quite fast. So I'm just putting some glue right on here. Blow a little bit on it. A pretty good amount. Then I just stick it down here. You can have it. Am I singing off how much? No, no, really sing. Hell yeah. So to do the FPV thing, I have this E-Shine VR 006. It's really hard to get the. There you have it, right now. So we are going to have to take the battery. I'm wondering if we're gonna take the other one now. The last one had red tape on it. That's how I keep on check with all my batteries. You see, this one has a red cross on it, and therefore it has a red tape. And the other one it doesn't have a tape. So I know which one I use and which one I don't use. And if someone is charged or something. So that's awesome. Yeah. Last time I did the FPV thing with this, I actually put the FPV in a camera battery inside of here. And I think that's a good thing, but now we're gonna try this one. I think it's glued together. So we just stick the battery on there. Put the battery, this battery, inside the car. Like so. Sorry. So, now we have the car plugged in, right here. So now we're gonna put the body on, like so. And there you can see the blue light. The blue light means it's on. So now we just put this one on right here. Yeah, I'll change the view for you guys. I don't know where the pins went, but we got more. Before you turn on the car, you always turn on the transmitter first. So you see that's on. Yeah, you can see that's all. Like so. I only use 2 right now. Good, it's good, it's good. There you see the lights. And the back lights. So that works. It works quite good, I would say. Going to put the goggles on. By putting them on, just push the button. And there you have it. So the camera often finds themselves. You don't have to search or anything. So right now you can just start into... Oh, that was the kitten's food. Sorry, kittens. It's like you want to turn your head, but you know, it doesn't change the camera view. That's just so bad. But now I'm going. You could hear me there behind me. So now I'm in the basement. I'm in the washing room where we wash our clothes. It's so much fun just to be like And now I'm behind the washer. That's crazy. I don't think I'm going to get the hell out of here. Oh, there's obstacles in the way. This is so much fun. So now I'm coming up right behind me. So